bouncing Moto. Kick dirt, rev it up, we gone. Any land, turf, or terrain, we own. YZ, gas, blowing that strong, yeah. Ooh, hit the trail, just me and my crew, baby. Riding through the ATL, ain't nothing new, baby.
Hope they got some of this rain in Durham town. Knock some of that dust out. It's like 8 o'clock Sunday. Feels good, man. If it stays this temperature, it's gonna be a good day to ride. It's like 65 degrees. Just got a little tiny sprinkle of rain. And that'll be perfect if Durham town got some of this.
2 hours later.
Slingshot. Looks clean, boy. It always takes way longer to load up than you think. Damn near twice as long. Tighten it up. Intro, the outro. I use it for the outro.
Check you order, please.
What you get? Let me get 1 second.
Sure.
You alright?
I'm sorry, my foot hurts. I'm sorry.
No, it's alright. I'll just make sure you're okay.
Bojangles before they went on the ride. Listen, this your boy Cool Cow. Listen, we having fun. We having fun here today, and them boys gonna have fun out there today. Let's have a good positive vibe. Bojangles, I throw you join the Stone Crescent.
Hey,
we here.
Hey, let's go.
Sir.
That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Turn up, my nigga.
Got to throw you on the vlog.
Right. Stay. So where y'all headed at? Where y'all going?
Durham town.
Huh?
Durham town.
Durham town. All right. Who can wheel stand? Who can do the wheeling? You or him? Both of y'all?
I got the wheelie. I can't go crazy with it, but I can wheel it. Right? I ain't going crazy yet.
They say you only good if you can teach what you do. Y'all can teach me how to ride?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Check out the YouTube. And my Instagram is Stone Mountain Moto.
Stone Mountain who?
Stone Mountain Moto.
Stone Mountain Moto. I'm gonna look that up. My name Cool Cow. Crocto down. Remember me, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
On the thing on the video, YouTube. I'm on YouTube too. CoolCowComedy.com.
Cool Cow Comedy.
Cool Cow Comedy. So I do comedy. I have fun with it. Y'all boys.
I'm about to sub right now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey, we back in Durham town, baby. What's up? Oh, goddamn. My goddamn ratchet ass door. I don't goddamn be a gentleman and let my homie out. Hey, we got a Raptor. A little homie on the 85. Alright, we already got Craig off the truck. See the pro unload. Man. Too easy. Man, lost his leg. Got number 49 out here. Back in the vlog.
We out here fucking doing it and shit. You know, fucking burn these boys up. You already know.
Yeah, I'm like about getting smoked out here. You already know. I was looking, checking that. Looking at
What's good?
Oh no no no! Oh no no no! No! Oh no no no! cool. Woo! Shit. Smoke greased it, boy. That one too.
That boy's great. Here go.
Woo!
Okay.
That boy hit that shit smooth as fuck.
Yeah, Kimo got there.
While he was in town, but he was watching him down in the
It was fucked up. They didn't show him at all on TV.
Yeah.
They don't ever show him on TV, man. What the fuck?
Was he there in person?
Really?
Nah, I didn't go. I wanted to go. Damn, I fucking should have hit you. I didn't really have nobody who was trying to go with me.
Yeah,
I don't want to pull up by myself. Smoked him on one wheel. It's going up too, so you just gotta get it.
Do shit. I get over that quick.
Oh,
I'm telling you, bro, you can clear that shit.
I know it. I know it.
Come on. Come on. Hit it, boy.
I did it.
Cap.
Think too much.
I did. I didn't clear it, but I climbed it. I mean, shit, that's a start.
I would not tell you that.
Right.
To get footage of you crying.
No, I know I can. I know I can. It's just I'm fucking being a hoe.
Don't be a hoe.
Be a hoe all you like, kid.
All right. Come on, Kev. Yeah.
I rolled mine on more and more until I felt like, all right, that's enough speed, and I held it down. Hey! Tactical roll! Tactical roll!
my pathetic wheelie? You got it on camera?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, lean all the way.
Lean all the way.
Yo, lean that way.
There you. That bitch gonna throw his ass. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, hell nah!
Hero gotta get some of that ass.
Yes, sir. Come on to the dark side.
I just was gonna take it like that.
That motherfucker is fun as a motherfucker.
Yeah. Hey, that bitch, hey, it's gonna throw you off, bro, because when you hit it, when you try to hit that back brake, it ain't like I bite. That shit. That bitch get the sliding with you. That bitch get the sliding with you.
Yeah.
I don't know how to ride a four-wheeler.
Ooh, that bitch for the
700. That's 700, boy.
Hey.
250 kilo, goddamn. All the way down neutral?
No.
No.
Same as the bike. Everything the same.
Oh! Why is it not
Look.
moving? It's
Cut.
not going like this.
He riding the hell out of the clutch.
I know. Clutch, let it out more. It's clutch disengaged later, I think.
Okay. That's it. Leave it, play with the clutch, but out more.
Yeah, out more, yeah.
Once you get that bitch out. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Later that same evening.
Hey, bro, that shit is fire.
That's awesome.
Hell yeah, boy.
Woo, you probably need a helmet on in this. But
Oh, yeah.
He got one. He got one.
It's nothing but cheddar, it's nothing but cake, it's nothing